last week the market was resilient. Is it the calm before the storm? Good morning everyone, this is Ahmed Saleh and this is the weekly market recap. And now to the key messages. So we managed to retain the gains that happened on the 9 prior days. If you recall, we had 9 days of going up, and this was the longest run since 2004. So maintaining these gains is very important, and it's a good sign that we didn't go down. Small and mid caps are outperforming the mega cap, but major trend is still downward. We still have key resistance point to overcome to say that the market has now moved to the upward trend. Next week is very crucial. It can be a very stormy week because on Monday we will know the results of the negotiation on the tariff that is happening between China and US, and also on Tuesday we will have the inflation data, which is very important to decide on the interest rate in the future. Now let's look at what happened last week. If you recall, we said that the 5,500 resistance was broken upward, and the downward trend was also broken, and we crossed the 50 days moving average, but still we have key important point to overcome. So first we have the 5,700, and then we have the 200 days moving average at 5,750, and then we have the March peak at 5,800. So we need to break all these 3 resistance points to say that we are going upward. Last week we had market very much flat, and May is still positive. 2 important events happened last week. The Fed kept the rate unchanged. This was expected, and the first tariff deal is done with UK. One important thing to know is that the small companies are outperforming the mega cap. If you look at this chart on the gains that happened in the month of April, you will see that the smaller the company, the bigger the return. So if you neglect the nano and the micro is $50 million capitalization, micro is $300 million capitalization. So normally these are too small to play in. You need to be on the small, mid, and large cap to make some gains. Next week we have several companies that are announcing results: Alibaba, Walmart, Cisco. We have 70% of the companies announce results, so we can say that we already approaching the end of the results season. Next week we have on Monday the results on China deal, so next week can be very stormy. If they manage to reach a deal, then things will be good. If they didn't manage to reach a deal, then most probably will go downward. On Tuesday we have the inflation results. Last time it was 2.4, so anything around this number will be good. My trading strategy for the coming period is to trade the companies that are breaking out near the 52 weeks high or the all-time high, like Duolingo, Boeing, and General Electric. Also, I will be trading companies that are forming a base and starting to break out, like Tesla, AI, and RGTI. I will post a video with the 20 companies that I see they have potential to break out in the coming period, provided that the market, of course, going up. So stay tuned to watch that video. Thank you very much. That was all for this week. If you like the video, please press like, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, please put it in the comment or mail it to this email. This video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Any investment or trade you make is based on your own decision and is at your own risk. Thank you very much.